Here we go on for the Dancehall Skilla right about now. Daryl Vaz, you see me I say? Mr. Vaz gone gangster on the $50 bike them. The man a rev out bun but up clad. So stay tuned and me show no what go on. You see me I say?
Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey yo, Skilla!
Alright people, you don't know who this already are the Skilla, you saw me I said to you, and you know this is one nice to go sit now go on. You saw me I said because really and truly yo. And now the young them are gonna run the road. Me know say now the young them are gonna go hot. You see me I say when you look on one of the general them from out of the parliament, they decide say yo I'm gonna do the look of young and ride. You see me I say the man tie up all kerchief around his head, you know. Green too. You have to understand, you know, the man represent him party. Man represent him thing. You see it? Anyways, I want to take a look and see how I go another one. You see me I say? Uno observe. At this me hear them youth ya call hot daddy. But you know some me not read that talk they do. Me don't feel good for you call no man hot daddy at all. But you don't know the youngsters them thing. You see me I say. So anyways, hey, me rate how Daryl Vaz are doing thing right now. You see me I say the Dan a move like one of them youngster in the game right now. You see me I say, yeah, what day you do sound clash, you know. Yeah man, what day you man the Rasta when you in Crawford do sound clash, big brother. What you think? You see me? It coming like a PMP versus JLP, same way. You see me I said to you? Yeah man, you said the Dan almost right off Crawford. But on the other side, you say Crawford almost right off the Vaz. You see me I say, we are talking about sound clash competition, you know. You see me I say, I don't want none of who come with no politics thing I come talk about, no violent politics thing. Cause them days they done, you know. You know, see what day you went time the man, people might pass on the bus. You think people and them think they again people want to live. You see it? So Vaz, big up yourself. I love where you did the thing. You see me I say, I can't believe you should have bust a wheelie still. You see me I say, and show them say you have skills. You see me I say, simple sample, you know. Anyways, I don't know the thing already. If you need to know more what go on, and if you like what you just see, you have to click the subscribe button. And my name is Skilla, and that you just see a Dancehall Skilla Entertainment, you know.